Okay, babe. I ran and got your makeup. I hope you didn't notice I took a bag with me. It was the only opportunity I could get to stash this. Okay. Sneaky, sneaky. And I'll show you the walk back. It's beautiful.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. Good Friday. Beautiful sunrise. Buenos días. ¿Cómo está? Muy bien, ¿y tú? I'm going with the dry stuff. There's a few more before I get on my knee and shock you. Steady state zone 3. Zone 2, zone 3. All right. Already taking some layers off. Warming up, cruising. Boss babe. All right, I'll give you an update in a little bit. See you soon. The boulder field. Field. Right there. Wind's picking up out here. What are we doing? You're not gonna see a defined path. You just gotta kind of work your way towards the keyhole. Have a little snack before we push up through the even bigger boulders. So beautiful. We're in the sun finally. That is the keyhole. To the Rocky. All right, we made it to the top. Going down's gonna suck. Probably not film worthy, right? Going down.
Yeah.
No, it's not as fun.
It's gonna be a slippery slope. It's a little bit rainy today. A lot of bit rainy today. But that's okay. And that is my sexy man.
How you doing back there?
I have a mask on because I'm cold, but I'm good.
Too dry. It's hard. But it's just stunning, the depth. Doesn't do it justice. There she is. It's stud. Nope, she didn't go the log route. 2 ways to skin a cat. So here we are. We are back to head torches. Have some bonus mileage because I forgot the markers to the beginning of the park, but not the beginning of the trail. Why? I don't know. And who said hiking in the rain wasn't any fun?
Good morning.
I burned up my motor on on this thing, and I don't have electricity, so now I use a grill.
Playa Matapalo.
Morning.
Oh, he caught it! All right. How you feeling?
Great.
See, kids, it's not all as fun as it looks. You're gonna make it, you're gonna tough it out, because there's nothing I can do here for you except document it. If there was something I could do, I would do it. But since I can't, what are we doing?
We are going canyoning.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Whose idea was this? What's the weather like?
Rainy.
Give the peek. What are you doing?
Gotta just get him. Gotta get him.
This is what I've been dealing with all week. Last words?
I'm gonna die.
All right. Cutie.
Show me those muscles. Give me a flex. Tyrannosaurus.
On Cap de Cruz. Represent. Hey, there you are. Some rough shape. We should probably fix it up a little bit. And got maybe 3 miles. Heading up to this bluff right here. Way out there. That'll be when our lives change. Come on, baby. Yeah, let's do that. Let's run. I'm good with it. rehearsed this in my mind hundreds of times. You decided you wanted to run, which is one of the many reasons I love you. Also has us back right on track.
Life worth living and reimagine all we've been given. Bury all our troubles in the past.